Hello yarn friends, it is Morgan with Dream9 Design. Welcome back to my channel. As you see, today I don't have makeup on, but I do not care. What I do care about is helping you guys with your Addi knitting machine or your Centro knitting machine that's dropping stitches. Now, this is something I've come across. I have pulled my machine back out, and unfortunately, I was going great with this one yarn. I switched over to another color to do the brim, and unfortunately, it just didn't like that. It was like dropping stitches and just making a big mess. So I want to show you guys a few tips and tricks that I found to be able to continue your work with those difficult yarns that catch on your machine. So let's go ahead, jump over to my machine, and I'm going to show you guys how to keep plugging along with those difficult yarns on that knitting machine for your beanies. Okay guys, so here is the yarn that was working, that was going just great. I switched over to this black yarn, and unfortunately some of these stitches just weren't staying on and I would end up with holes. Okay guys, so I went ahead, I just grabbed a crochet hook, but whatever works best for you. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to slowly start cranking this. And where you are wanting to pay attention to is this, let's see, this back yarn right here. So that one, as you see, did not want to slip down. So you want these to actually fall over these loops and come down. Oops, try not to hit the camera. So now it's not going to catch, it's going to keep going. So when you're cranking along and you notice that it's not as you see here, it simply went down. Let's make sure it does it here. Oh, see, we're going to catch. It doesn't look like it's going to drop. And if we kept going, this yarn would just push and then we wouldn't have our loop anymore. So sometimes it helps to slowly crank it back just a little bit to get this tooth to go up. And then it is much easier to make sure that your stitch drops back down. So as you see here, that one looks like it's gonna go down. Let's see if I can't keep pointing. We wanna check this yarn right here. And if we notice that it starts to not go down or catch, that's where we want to pay attention. So sometimes it's really smooth going, but like you see right there, we almost lost it, so we're gonna back it up just a little bit and make sure that that's back in there. All right, I backed you guys up just a little bit, a little bit of a different angle here. So as you see, smooth, and you just wanna make sure that you're going really, really slow over these rounds. Unfortunately, I have to do 40 rounds with this color. As you see there, we started to not go down, so we want to grab our tool or whatever you're using and just make sure that we're getting that yarn pushed down. Oh, right there, you see I almost had that one do a hiccup. So this is quite tedious. You can just choose to do a different color yarn if you'd like. However, I have already started in on this and I am just going to keep persevering. So this is my little trick for those difficult yarns that you come across when you're working on your knitting machine. If you like this video, please make sure to leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel so you can get all these great little updated videos. I also do yarn reviews, I do yarn giveaways, as well as crochet tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, make sure to leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys all next time.